This is Chart of the Day, and I'm Nico Isaac. Coffee and the golden ticket of opportunity. My dad always says you cannot put a price on a strong cup of morning mud. And seeing as his preferred blend is a just add water pack of Nescafe, mud is right on the nose. But this April, a popular cafe in Portland, Oregon put a very steep price on a special blend of ultra premium natural processed coffee. $150 per cup. My dad would literally spit his mug of mud out of his mouth if he heard this. Apparently, a lucky pair of winners got a golden ticket to try the exclusive blend for free. No word in the article on how the coffee tasted, but I sure hope it was the best darn Java they ever had. Yet for traders and active investors who think more about coffee beans than coffee cups, the ultimate golden ticket is one that points to a meaningful trend change beforehand. Does mainstream analysis serve that up hot? Well, let's see. On April 18th, coffee futures soared to their highest level since last October. And according to the popular experts, coffee had several reasons to perk up. From Bar Chart on April 17th, quote, coffee prices Monday rallied sharply with Arabica climbing to a 6 1/4 month nearest futures high. The top 3 fundamental pick-me-ups included ICE monitored Arabica coffee inventories fell to a 4-month low of 709,612 bags. The Colombia Coffee Growers Federation reported that Colombia March coffee exports fell minus 19% year over year to 906,000 bags. On April 5th, the International Coffee Organization reported global coffee exports during October to February fell minus 8.7% year over year. But note well, this data was reported between April 5th and April 17th. Yet, if we zoom out on the chart, we see that coffee's trend turned at the end of March. So the news didn't prepare active investors for coffee's rally. At best, it only helped them follow it. On March 31st, however, our Commodity Pro service showed a version of this chart of coffee. Their editor, Jim Martens, identified the near completion of a Wave 2 correction, paving the way for a third wave advance. Quote, there's a little bit more downside available next week to finish this corrective setback, but it's just that, a corrective setback. Once it's complete, coffee will resume its bullish trend and do so in a third wave advance. So, what followed? Coffee did see a bit more downside before immediately reversing higher in a powerful advance to 7-month highs through April 18th. Trading markets carries risk, and not every Elliott Wave interpretation of price action turns out to be correct. But only one blend of market forecasting includes objective analysis, labeled price charts, video lessons, and critical price levels to help manage risk for the world's leading softs, grains, and livestock markets. And that is our premier Commodity Pro service.